afternoon.
I say good day, so I don't have to say it's good afternoon. So they don't have to know it's a morning or afternoon.
You
I
want
know.
to start over?
Oh, that's fine. Today we're heading out to Ikea,
Yes.
and we're kind of excited about it because we've never been to an Ikea before.
In Japan.
And knowing that Ikea is such a fun place to go to, we're quite excited how big it's gonna be.
But yeah, we researched that there is one in Yokohama, Yokohama, and there's a shuttle bus that would take us there. So we're gonna take a train to Yokohama first, and then start from there.
Yes. As of the moment, we still haven't had our breakfast. So we woke up kind of late. I had to work yesterday, because there was a cooking competition at the school, and that's why I needed more time to sleep. So now I only have Sunday to, go out and stuff and have fun.
Hopefully it's not continuous.
Yeah, hopefully it's not a continuous thing, because I need my weekends to just be able to kick back and relax. It is tiring even though it's like so close to travel by train, but work is work and personal time is personal time. So yeah, if you agree with that, leave a like. Anyway, guys, stay tuned for the day. We're just gonna go out and
Grab some food and explore Ikea.
hey, they're playing the trumpets again. So we're heading off now to Yokohama Station, which is 8 stations away. We're fortunate to get a train that passes all the other 8 stations.
Yokohama.
Oh, so hot.
Sunny as fuck.
Sunny AF. Bus is so crowded.
Yeah, we're at the
Very fun.
of that bus.
Dibs on the departure. It's hot here. Air conditioning is off.
And also the sun is on us.
Double burn.
Cool.
Literally. Alright, see you guys in Ikea.
Stop. Stop.
Tang 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 tang. Tang 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 tang.
You have no idea. It's so big.
It's so big. Like an amusement park. So we're gonna see what is around here first. Actually, let's eat.
Welcome to the food court of Ikea. lot of people.
More fat or less fat? It's your favorite.
That's our food. And you can take the jar home for the jar salad.
We'll have to wash it.
They even gave you a Ziploc bag so that you can take the jar home.
Coffee for me, and what do you want?
Tea.
Now we're just about to eat. Alright, this is getting heavy. I'm gonna go eat. See you guys in a bit.
Bought this when we're on the way here. It's called,
Soccer foot.
and it's a
Chocolate cake with apricot jam on it. The last time I ate one of these was back when I was still studying in pastry school. It was just about almost 9 years ago.
have a bite.
No, it's okay. I'll eat after we're done recording.
But I want you to show everyone how good it is.
I don't want to be filmed eating this.
Leaning up. That plate was stuck. Oh, you make the thing stop. No.
Would you like some cakes? Face is shaking.
Little bit.
You can feel it?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know.
Okay, you got some coffee there. Some coffee. 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 Coffee, bro. Hey, come back. Yeah. Don't like you.
storage part.
Oh my god.
Are you ready to get lost in here?
Yeah, I see Billy.
We're in a tent.
Don't believe it?
Joshua got foot.
Dying. Got some dying. Dying.
Got a supermarket here. Of course, selling all IKEA stuff.
Oh.
We fold the stabilizer already, so it's gonna be a little bit shaky. Waiting for the bus, the shuttle bus to go back to Shin, Yokohama.
Kinda tired.
Got the drink. This cup is actually from lunchtime, but we kept it. So
I
that-
kept it.
Yeah, so that we can get some juice from downstairs.
Pro tip.
Oh yeah. It's been fun.
Oh, it's kind of cold.
Yeah.
It was so hot this morning.
It was. The sun really makes a difference. Now that it's gone, kind of cool.
Plus, it's windy, so. Eh.
We're just gonna head back to Shin, Yokohama, and get some food for dinner.
Then head home.
Yeah. Okay. We got home and I totally forgot that we were vlogging today. So, but yeah, it was,
Already 2 a.m.
it was a fun day in IKEA. It's so big. Although the stuff that they sell here doesn't really change much.
Yeah.
Even in Japan, they sell pretty much the same things. But
Space-wise.
space-wise, it's crazy big. And they also have like a big playground for kids too.
Yeah, I wish I was a kid now.
Yeah. Anyways, we're gonna go sleep now because we have work tomorrow.
Yeah. Well, she's having her first day tomorrow.
Yeah. And yeah, we'll update you guys for later information. Anyways, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Hope you like the vlog. Bye bye.